You know what this means if Allison's here. We're unboxing an obscene amount of Enhypen albums. Anyways, we're gonna be unboxing 70 Dimension Answer albums. Actually, like only 60 because I'm missing a box. I have no idea where it is. We're missing 10 no albums. So
don't try to keep up with our math because it might be wrong. And also, I'm gonna be stealing some of these PCs as we go through them.
Yeah.
I hope we get a full set.
I hope we get a full set.
Every time we do these, I'm like just anticipating a full set. And every time we do it, we're missing like the entirety of like one member.
I did an unboxing, which is up on my channel, of like my Weavers pre-ordered set. So you can check that out. The pulls were great. Loved it. Pre-order benefit. Amazing. I'm really scared for my pulls. I'm scared that it's not gonna be like distributed.
But you always want the full group.
Yeah, you want a variety.
Because like I don't think that I know anyone who would be happy with just getting like one individual member when you like obviously enjoy the whole group for the reason of enjoying the whole group. We're
gonna go ahead and like get into it. We're gonna unbox like one on camera, even though like if you do watch the other unboxing video, you do get like the full inclusions or whatever, but just to show for the sake of like our first pulls on camera, we're going to do that for you. We're gonna do Yet version because that's the box that's on top. This is like the soft boy, really cute concept. My favorite concept though is the no version, but Allison's favorite
I really
is
like
this one.
It's kind of like eerie, kind of like whimsical, kind of a lit major vibe.
Dark academia. Anyways. Ooh! Sunghoon! You got Jake.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, so I got Sunghoon and Jake. We got a Jake.
This is a good start.
Okay. Okay, wait, I'm scared for the PC. I'm not ready. You know. You just pulled your bias twice. You're taking those.
Yeah.
So Allison pulled Nikki, the Polaroid, and the regular PC. Nikki is their bias, so.
Yes.
Oh yeah, also if you didn't know, my bias is Jay, bias record Jake, bias Nikki, bias record Jungwon, and Sunghoon.
And Sunghoon.
Okay, are you ready for mine?
Yes.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so cute!
I don't think I pulled this one yet. Like out of the ones that I've
really
bought.
good.
This
PC.
is so cute.
He looks so cute.
Jake! Jake! I don't have this one either. Woo! Wow, these are
pulls.
Okay, we left some different ones. Oh my god. My door just like opened. It was so terrifying. I'm scared. Okay. That was the first
too
set
excited about these
yeah.
pulls.
Okay, wait, should we do a set of no?
Sure.
So here's no version, my favorite version. Remember when I was hanging out with Ariel, she went off on this like tangent in her video, like her unboxing, that they're 2 different materials. So like the Yet version.
They are.
Yeah, I feel it.
But
this
I still like this one better.
This one is like a very hardcover book, and this is like smooth.
Like you can hear the difference. Like,
okay, ASMR channel.
but like it's noticeable.
I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. I got a Nikki in this. Oh my god! I got this one too! Wait, is this a double? It's a double! Oh
my
god. I needed this. I have a full set of J now.
Oh my god.
I have a full set of J.
Right now these are the same pulls though.
Yeah, okay, so if you want to show yours. So we got Jake for the selfie, Jay for the Polaroid, and then we also got Nikki for like the film strip thingy. I'm gonna do the time lapse, the infamous time lapse, and we will do some calculating and let you know what the pulls are. We're done unboxing and organizing all of the pulls for the album. For the Yet version, we actually do have like a couple full sets. Even after like me taking my full set and then like Allison taking like what they wanted. So I do have like a couple full sets. So if you guys are interested, you can DM me on Twitter or probably my K-pop Instagram. You can message me on there. That would be cool if you guys are like interested. I'll go through those PCs now. So we have the Jungwon set. We literally have a bunch of these. And then we have like the selfie PC and the Polaroid PC. And then we have Heesung. It's so satisfying to look at. I took a little picture when we like organized them. I'll probably like insert it here. And then we have Jay, which obviously I had to like take for myself. Jake. Cute. And we got Sunghoon. Okay, here's Sunghoon. Cute. Okay, and then we got Sanu. Cutie.
Stan Nikki. He's great.
Those were all of the like PCs and like pulls for Yet. And then for No, our distribution was awful. Like we literally got the same 5 PCs basically. Yeah, we got one Jungwon, which is the Polaroid.
You've got quite a few of these.
And then we got one Heesung, which is the film strip. So that's literally all we got. And then we actually have a full set of Jay, which I'm happy about obviously because like he's my bias. But we got a full set of Jay. We got Jake. And then we got Sunu, only the Polaroid and the film strip. We got Nikki. So we didn't get Sunghoon
At all, basically.
at all. But yeah, our distribution was really bad. Also, like I said earlier, I am missing 10 No albums. Message me on Twitter, message me on my K-pop Instagram if you guys are interested. I will have the photos of both posted, or like I can send them as proof. I'll probably put them up on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm tired. It's like almost 12:30 and we like worked all day, so I'm wrecked. I'm going to bed. Anyways, goodbye.